going on, everybody? It's the next day. Got a little busy after shooting the first part of the video. Went ahead and went in, hung out with Jenny and the kids, but we're gonna keep talking to them in them. We're gonna get started on this burner just in a minute. So all we've done is I've just cut a bunch of slits in it to help kind of break that down a little bit. I don't really have a way to get in here very well to kind of cut that out. I kind of wish if my torches were filled up, I'd just blow it in there, but we'll just keep going at it and we'll get there. It takes a little time, but anything worth having is not easily attainable generally. Well, there it is in all of its glory. Definitely not a clean job by any means. Wish I could have took this to work, just milled it off, but do what you got to do to make things happen. Now I'll clean up all this real quick, and then I'll kind of make a template here and cut another piece of steel. Don't really know how well this is going to weld. I really do think that it's cast as it was just breaking. But maybe I can put a piece of steel in there just enough to hold it. So here we go. Here, well, I don't really throw stuff away. It's just an old outer race for a wheel bearing. Mighty close enough to do what we needed to do. Put it on here and transfer that piece of steel, cut it out. I'll gain a little bit because I'm cutting a little wide anyway. Let's see what we get. too bad. Now we'll just see how it fits inside the still pretty well. Hard to do one-handed, dude. Well, we'll get it fitting in there a little bit. Now that I got that to where I can hold it, what we'll do here, the guy will just fit right in there. I have to do a little bit more. Oh, come on. Yeah. That's kind of what we're going for. I might try to tap it down in there a little more flush. But now, this is where all the combustion is going to happen. When our oil comes in, it'll drop and drip right here. And this rotor is actually still warm from me cutting on this. So that's why I chose the rotor, because the rotor will hold heat. It'll absorb it and hold it, and it hopefully in my head that should decrease on my oil consumption, the amount of oil that it takes to burn. If I can keep that pretty good and hot in there, and it'll evaporate the oil better and just hopefully make it that much better. To me, it always does better with force fed, because you're just more some oxygen to it. But I'll probably weld this up tonight and probably call it done for tonight. Wife and kids are home, so we're gonna spend some time with them. I still got to trim these ends here. Trim it on two sides to where it sits, and it's sit in that valley. And yep, we're a step closer. But we'll hopefully just keep plugging away at this and keep making progress. Y'all be good. Catch you on the next one.